Here I've got the Nikon camera, and let me show you how to turn on and off self-timer on it. At first we have to go to the menu button, and from here to the left settings bar, and then down to the setup menu, and from here we have to pick the self-timer delay, and here we can manage it. I'm going to set it on 2 seconds, and that's all. And to turn on the self-timer, you have to go and click this button, FN, and now you have the self-timer shooting, and you can shoot photos with 2 seconds delay. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.